Alright, I'm going to do a HTC One M9. I think this is the Digitizer connector. One is 45 pins, and I don't know what that one's a shorter pin one. But anyways, apparently they have different. They have 39 pin versions and then 45 pin versions, and I had a really tough time finding this 45 pin version of the connector. But I found out that the M8, the HTC One M8 connector actually works with this, and I was able to buy it. I think maybe 5 connectors a piece for 15 bucks or something like that. I can't remember. It was like $1 a pop, I think, or something like that after shipping. So just a mental note that you can use the HTC One M8 connector on the M9. So I put a little low melt on it already, just on the joints here, and I am at 220 degrees with the airflow of 5. And the hardest part would be even removing this thing without jacking anything up, you know. And once I get it removed, then I think putting the new connector on is going to be easy. And there's a battery below here too, which I'm kind of protecting a little bit, and I don't really want to jack anything up, so I'm being very gentle with this, with the heat at least, and hopefully I don't jack anything up too bad. And, but we shall see. I'm actually going to probably just get a little more low melt here and see if I can, because I really don't want to use too much heat. The display is actually still on there, and I really don't want to jack anything up too bad. Yeah. So I'm just gonna maybe just kind of go like this, and really liberal with the. Oops. See, I just jacked up the battery down there too, and don't mess up any of the pads. See, I'm gonna get myself into trouble. Hopefully that battery's not jacked up. So I did scrape it a little bit with my heat. I really hope it's not. So I'm just gonna kind of jack it up like this. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah. I'm basically just trying to destroy this thing without ripping any pads, you know. Maybe I should push that way. Probably better if I get pushed out, because there's components over here. Alright, there you go. Probably should have covered all of it with capped on. So I'm just going to push everything on this capped on here, and then hopefully I can get everything out without messing too much up here. So I'm using my C105 112 tip, knife tip. I'd use hot air, but I really just don't want to. There's a screen down there, there's a battery down there. Don't really want to do anything to damage either of those, even though I kind of burnt a little bit of that already. So there it goes. And then I just dropped the blob of low melt down here, which is not good. That's not good at all, actually, but hopefully I can. Maybe I'll put a little heat on it or something. Alright, so that's my connector there. It doesn't look like I've ripped any pads or anything, so that's good. Clean my tip here. Make sure I don't burn anything either. It is definitely not good here. It's okay. Alright, so let's clean this up. Really don't want to leave any of these remnants of, especially something metallic, anywhere. So, alright, let me just get rid of this, you know what, I think I can just push it down here to my trash bin. Okay. Get any Q-tip. I'm going to heat this a little bit just so I can get rid of some of this low melt here. Hopefully I don't jack anything up too bad. I'll do this. Low heat. So make sure there's no bridges here. Alright, looks good. I think that's good. Let me just do this and this one. And this one. Okay, I think we're good. Okay. So that is good. And then now we got our new connector here. I actually want to retin this with lead-free solder, leaded solder, instead of the low melt. So I'm just gonna put a little, and then wipe it off, and then get some real stuff. And I'll probably wick it too. Yep, I'm gonna wick it right now. And this is how I like wicking it. I just put my wick here, and I just put it in between my tweezers, and then I just kind of go like this with it. I find that's the easiest way to do it. That way you don't burn your fingers or anything, and wick is super hot. Okay, that's it. Clean it up one more time. Get some new flux. And let's reapply some leaded solder. Actually, I probably don't even need leaded solder, actually. So I'll probably just go like this. And I will start soldering now. So let's put a little flux on this puppy. And this way. So are there end posts? No end posts. Okay, so this will make things a little easier. I'm just gonna tack down what I can here, and then this one. That is actually probably easier to use my tweezers. This is where tweezers really come in handy here. Alright, so let's do it. Most people don't want to repair these things, but I will oblige if they do want to fix it. I'm all about saving devices and not throwing them away, right? Got a little too much, I think. Okay, tips are bent too. I'm gonna have to rotate this a little bit. Sure, okay, tips are a little bit better now. Alright, see if this works. I mean, I have these 1mm tips for my JBC, you know, but they bend pretty easily and they disintegrate. I think I probably need a little more flux there. Probably should have just left a little bit of flux on there, actually, on the pads. I'm having a tough time, actually, and I don't know why. I don't think these tweezers are working too well here, so I'm gonna see if I can. Maybe this will work a little better. A curved tip. Yep, definitely works better. I've been actually using these curved tips a lot more lately, and I love these things now. So what you're really looking for is, you see the pad is kind of dull below, and you really want to see the pad fully shine. And then you will know that there's a solid joint. And I think if you just use a little more, taking a little bit longer than I was thinking. I think I probably should have just left a little bit of solder on the pad. So I think that'd have been a little easier. Alright, well this is causing me a little bit of grief because this pad right here is not really adhering very well. Like this one. Maybe if I push down. I think that's pretty good actually. Maybe this one. Let's see, this one. Okay, that's good. And that's good. Alright, I think we're all good now. Make sure these are all good here. Okay. Alright, let's get to the other side. And then hopefully we'll be done after that. Okay. Just Alright, that's it. I think we're good. Hopefully this works, man. Because I got more stuff to do. A lot more stuff to do. And let's clean this up. Ugh, okay, let's see if it works now. I really hope it does. Get my Kapton tape out of here. Alright, so here we go. This is the screen, and it is good to go, I think. I've never seen one of these things ever before. It's the first time. So, let's see. This isn't even working, dude. There it goes. Okay, I see. Use extreme power savings, turning off. Dude, okay, there it goes. Let's see. Is this like an iPhone? So I'm just gonna drag an icon. I'm pretty sure it was the LCD that was jacked up. I don't think it was the Digitizer. So to make sure that the screen works. Alright, and it does. Okay, so let me just take it back here and hold on, I turned the brightness up on this damn thing. Anyways, it's working. Alright, we're just gonna assume this thing's working. So there you go. It's working. It's working. Working. Alright. Thanks for watching our video. I just wanted to kind of go over 2 courses that we have available on udemy.com right now. If you go to microsoldering.com, click on Learn, and then Getting Started, you'll see that we have 2 courses available. The first one is iPhone logic board repair, the basics, and in this course we go over the basic building blocks of logic board to the tools and equipment necessary to the basic fault finding and troubleshooting. This course is mainly for people looking to get started into micro soldering. It goes over all the components and basic troubleshooting tips and stuff like that. So you can just go to the website and click on the link, and it'll bring you to the Udemy page to buy the course. And the second course goes over, which I wrote part of. It goes over how to troubleshoot problems, and in this course we go over the 3 most common iPhone repair problems, which is no backlight, touch IC disease, and charging problems. And we go over in detail exactly how to troubleshoot and fix these things. So if interested, please visit the website microsoldering.com, and you can get some more information from there. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.